Hello, welcome to a tutorial on how to make a magic line tube in Blender. I'll show you what that is. So we're going to go to edit mode with this cube, and then we will press M and at center. There we go. We have a little bitty pixel there, a little vertex. And we're going to apply the modifiers at this point. We will apply first mirror modifier. Secondly, we will apply a skin modifier. Thirdly, we will apply a subdivision surface modifier. And we are going to go to, in levels viewport, right here in the subdivisions modifier to number 3. There we go. It's nice and round now. And that is basically ready to work with. We're going to go into orthographic view, which is front view or side view or top view. And we will press E for extrude, and we will move this on the X-axis, and we can start extruding. And there you go. That's your magic line. And I am using this with the mirror modifier, so you can extend that as much as you want. First with E for extrude, and then G for grab. So I'm going to make it smaller now, and then I press E again, and it's going to extrude once again, and again, and again. Then we go into the X-ray vision. We can see that every time we press E for extrude, we will make a new little vertex there. So we can make it very round or very squarey looking, our little magic tube, and we can make a three-dimensional line there with this. So that's the point with this magic tube, magic line, and we can make anything with this. I once made a bicycle with it. And so you can extrude as well to one side, come back and extrude to the other side from any point in your magic line. And you can extrude like that, you can extrude like that, and so on and so on. When you are ready to render this or to turn it into an object, you can shade it smooth. And well, you can go up here to object, convert to mesh. There we go. Now you can no longer extend it or anything else. As you can see, all the modifiers are gone. We can now shade it smooth, and we can go into this little green triangle. Normals, auto smooth to make it even smoother. There we go. And that's it. That's what we can do with our magic line. You can do anything you like with your magic line and render it. There you go. There you go. That's for modeling. And here's an extra little tip on how to do the same thing in a different way. We're going to add a curve. There we go. There's our curve. I'm going to make this curve flat, going into edit mode, selecting everything, S0, and the Y-axis. So I just made it a straight line, but it's still a curve. And now I go into edit mode, and I go in here into the menu for the details about the curve right here in our properties. And we go into geometry, and there's bevel right here. So you can have this on rounded if you like that, and you can just increase the depth and make that a tube. So you can make it as, of course, as thick as you would need that tube to be. And there we go. You can start subdivisions if you want. Like you can use it like this. And you can start moving it around and shaping your curve with a tube, with a magic tube like that. Or you can add subdivisions. You select everything, those two handling points, and you can just subdivide as if you were subdividing anything. And you have more points for making the curve more curvy. And you can subdivide again, and so on and so on. So you can do lots of things with your new magic curve. You can G for grab, whatever, rotate, like that. And that's it. That's 2 ways of making magic curves. And of course, if you're done modeling with this, you can also convert it to mesh if you so desire, and you can no longer curve it anymore. So it's just a solid shape that you can use for modeling and building things, anything you need right here on Blender. Thank you very much for watching.